Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys step by step how I make my Guyanese cabbage and chicken. So I hope you guys are going to enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients. So over here in this bowl here I have my cut of cabbage, I have some chicken wings here, tomatoes, all my spices, onion powder, garlic powder, ginger powder, black pepper cubes, and all-purpose seasoning, paprika and chili powder. In this plate here, I have some onion, garlic, shallots, celery, and fine leaf thyme. I have my tomato paste, green seasoning, mustard hot sauce, and my garlic sauce. So the first thing we're gonna do is season up our chicken. So let's get started. So I'm going to season up my chicken here. Guys, I'm making two videos one time. I'm making my YouTube video here, and you can see here I'm making my TikTok video. So to season up my chicken, I'm going to put in all my spices and my cubes. I'm going to put in my green seasoning. Garlic sauce, mustard hot sauce. So I'm gonna get this spoon here now and season up the chicken, mix up all the ingredients. And I'm gonna leave this to marinate for about half an hour. So we'll be back in half an hour. This is how the chicken looking here. We'll be back. So I just turned on my pot, so I'm going to pour in some oil to fry up the chicken. This is the chicken here. This is the chicken here.
So now I'm going to give the chicken a stir, and I'm going to let it fry up for a couple of minutes.
So now I'm going to put in all my
onion, garlic, shallots, celery, ginger, fine leaf thyme. Then I'm going to give this a stir.
You can let this fry up for a few minutes. So now I'm going to put in my tomato paste. Give this a stir. Now I'm going to put in my tomatoes. Now I'm going to put in my cabbage.
So I'm going to put in like half of the cabbage there. And then I'm going to mix it up. Also, if you reach so far at this point in the video, I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Alright, so I'm gonna stir in my cabbage there, and then when it fried down a little bit, then I'm gonna put the other half as well. Alright, so now I'm just going to cover my pot and let it fry it up for a couple of minutes. So now it's been 20 minutes. So I'm going to open my pot, and then
Cube. ginger powder, paprika, give it a stir. And let this cook for 5 more minutes and it's all done. Alright guys, so my cabbage and chicken finished here. So I'll be eating my cabbage and chicken with some white rice. So let's go dish it out and let you guys see the end result. Okay, so we'll be back.
So guys, this is the end results for my Guyanese cabbage and chicken stew. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok at Cooking with Afton. And with this cabbage and chicken, you could eat it with provision, you could eat it with white rice, whatever you want to eat your cabbage with, you can do that. All right, today I'm gonna be eating my cabbage with some white rice. All right, so don't forget, if you're new to my channel, subscribe. All right, and I want to thank all of my subscribers for watching my video and rocking with me for the past 3 years. I really appreciate all of you guys. All right, love you all, and let me go taste it now.
All right guys, so this is my cabbage and chicken and rice. I'm gonna taste it, guys. It's good. You guys really need to try this recipe, and when you do, leave a comment down below. This is really good. So thank you guys so much for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I hope you guys come back and watch more videos from me. All right, take care and see you in the next video, guys. Bye guys.